Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing Brand. This is Shirley. Today we're going to be unboxing a beauty subscription box called the TILI box, which stands for Try It, Love It. I think it's actually the premier subscription box by QVC, which is you should know what they are, right? They are a TV channel. It's basically a shopping channel where hosts and presenters like show you their products on camera, and you can buy stuff through either giving them a call, or I think you can definitely place orders online now. It's 2019, I'm sure you can place orders online, but I think they started out with just selling stuff over the phone and over their channel, QVC. So QVC stands for, I just looked this up, they stand for quality, value, and convenience. So they're really into their acronyms here. Okay, let's continue with the unboxing. My box arrived a few days ago in this brown box, so let's have a look inside. My dogs are kind of playing around right next to me off camera with a tennis ball that they just found, so you might hear some barking and stuff. Hi, Harry. Okay, and this is what it looks like when you first open it. There is a welcome card that gives you a description of everything that's in the box, and wow, it's so pretty. So TILI, Try It, Love It, and they actually work with influencers on putting these boxes together, and the first one is by Lauren McBride. I actually don't really know who she is, but I'll definitely look into her. Ooh, this box is quite nice. So it's got like this pink floral pattern on it. Ooh, almost everything is made in the USA. So there's a list of stuff that I got in my box, and it tells you where it comes from. So that's cool. Okay, let's have a look inside the TILI box. Try It, Love It. This is a really cute box. You can definitely reuse this box for storage or even, I don't know, gifting. Hey girl, I'm life and style blogger Lauren McBride, and I'm so excited for you to get your hands on this box. I'm thrilled to have collaborated with QVC to curate this box for some of our combined favorite beauty items. A few of my favorites include the Sunday Riley C.E.O. Serum and Origins Face Wash because I love what they do for my skin. My hope is that they make you feel like the beautiful, strong woman you are. Hey, what are you doing? Relax, take a few minutes to yourself, have fun with these products. Okay, let's dig in. I'm excited about this box. So this box was $25, I believe, but if you're new to QVC, there's actually a $5 coupon code. If I can find that, I'll make sure to leave it below. I usually don't order anything from QVC. This is my first time, so I went ahead and used that coupon, and this box only came to $20. All right, I'm just gonna go down the list here and show you item by item what I got. The first item is an Origins Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. Cool, so I guess it's like a foaming face wash. Very small size. This is definitely a sample size item. Next item is a Sunday Riley C.E.O. Vitamin C Brightening Serum. This comes in this like really nice glass bottle. I've heard of Sunday Riley before from a few other YouTubers. I haven't tried it for myself yet, so I'm really excited to try it. And I think their products are really expensive usually, so it's cool that they're including it in this box. So this is the Vitamin C Brightening Serum. It's supposed to illuminate the complexion so skin looks youthful. Next up is also a sample size item. This is the Lavanila, is that the brand? Lavanila, like lavender vanilla? Or is it just like La Vanilla? I don't know. Anyways, this is the Healthy Fragrance. Blends exotic essential oils with skin-soothing botanicals for a timeless expression of nature that captivate the senses and nurture the skin. Pure Vanilla is a central blend of Madagascar vanilla, soft... What are you guys doing? Soft freesia and rich heliotrope. Not sure what that is. Apply directly onto the skin as often as desired. So a little sampler of fragrance. Next up, we have sample packets as well, looks like, I think. This is by Perricone MD, and these are the Super Green Supplement Powder. Mix 1 packet with 8 fluid ounce of water once a day. Okay, I might put these in smoothies instead. I'm not too crazy about drinking powdered stuff, and like, I don't know, just feels weird. Next item, we have a Fizz and Bubble Large Bath Fizzies. I'm not really too big of a bath person, but my husband is, so I'm gonna give this to him. Oh, and it says you can break large fizzies apart to use for more than one bath. The next item is a makeup item, and this is by Becca. It's the Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I think I got the full size version of this in my latest, what is that? It's not a glossy box. BoxyCharm. Okay, so I actually got the full-size version of this from my BoxyCharm box, and I wonder if the color's the same. If it's the same, then I'm not going to open this one, and I might include it in a giveaway soon. Oh, this is the cap for my Sunday Riley item that came off. Next up, we have bareMinerals Marvelous Moxie Lipgloss. This is a plumping lip gloss, and let's take a look at the shade that says Crowd Surfer. I really prefer to wear lip glosses over lipstick, so this is cool. Whoa, it's a really pink. This is definitely something I will wear. I just hope it's not too pink. That's the color there. It smells like candy. Okay, and we have one more item. The last item is a Pop Sonic Leaf Sonic Facial Cleansing Device. So cleanse your face of daily grime, makeup, and dry skin with the massaging sonic cleansing of the perfect portable Pop Sonic. Oh, it's so small. Apply cleanser. So here's what it looks like when you open it. Apply cleanser to the leaf bud and press the on button. Use every day to help remove makeup and daily grime. It's my dog scratching at the carpet. I threw them a treat earlier and I think it fell under the couch, so I think he's trying to get under it, even though he can't, but he's trying. He's trying really hard. Anyways, so this is a really cute, like, portable. Oh, and there's two different brush sizes. There's like a finer brush bristle on the front and a more coarse one on the back, and this is really soft because it's just made of silicone. One thing I don't really like about this, hey you. One thing I don't really like about this is that you can't change the batteries and you can't recharge. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing, Harry? Are you just gonna... He's not really allowed on the couch, but I'm just gonna let him slide because I'm making this video and I'm running out of batteries. Okay, anyways. So yeah, I read on their website that you cannot change the battery on this, but it's supposed to last for 4 years, so fingers crossed. It's not very environmentally friendly, but let's see how well it works. Okay, so it looks like we've got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got a total of 8 items. Some of these items are sample size. Quick recap from the very beginning: an Origins face wash, a Sunday Riley Brightening Serum, a tiny little sampler sized fragrance. We also got superfood powder, supplement powder. We have a large bath fizzy, a sample size Becca mist set and refresh powder, a bareMinerals Marvelous Moxie Lipgloss, as well as this Pop Sonic Leaf Sonic Facial Cleansing Device. So that's actually quite a lot of items for 20 bucks, even though some of these items are sample size. I think it's not a bad deal, especially if you get that $5 off for ordering from QVC for the first time. Okay, interesting. So I think everything in here I'm definitely excited to try. I'm gonna actually see what this fragrance smells like because I'm really particular about fragrances and it's hard for me to find one that I like, so I'm curious what this one smells like. Oh, it's not me. I'm very, very, very particular about fragrances. This one smells like a candle, like a really rich vanilla candle. So probably not going to be using it. I mean, I might spray it if like my room starts to smell funky, but I don't know. Not really my type of fragrance. But I don't know, maybe it's starting to grow on me. What are you doing there? You smell that? You like that smell? Do you like it? What do you think of it, Harry? I guess you like it. Alright, so that was unboxing the TILI box by QVC. Let me know what you thought of this video, as well as all the products that I got. I'll make sure to leave a link below if you want to check it out yourself as well. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm also on Facebook and Instagram, so check me out there as well. I have a whole bunch of other unboxing videos, so take a look before you go. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Goodness, Harry, what am I going to do with you? Huh?